Stop drifting. Start dominating. Welcome to Ancient Secrets channel. Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your reflection and felt like a stranger? Like the fire inside you has gone silent? You're not broken, you're buried. Buried under years of fear, regret, and the lie that comfort is survival. But deep down, something stronger still breathes, waiting. The Stoics never waited for life to change, they became the change. Marcus Aurelius ruled through plagues and war. Seneca built clarity in chaos. They didn't drift, they dominated, and so can you. But it starts now. Not with another quote, not with another excuse, but with a quiet decision to rise, to tear down the weak version of you, to face the pain and build from it. This isn't hype. This is transformation. Real, ruthless, stoic. Are you ready? Then stop drifting. Pick up the pieces, and let's begin. 1. Reset. Burn the past. Break the chains. You can't rise with chains around your ankles. Most men stay stuck not because of what's ahead, but because of what they keep dragging behind. Old failures, toxic relationships, shame, bitterness. The Stoics taught that the past is dead. It exists only in your mind. And yet you worship it like a god. You replay it. You identify with it. You let it define your worth. Let it burn. That heartbreak? A lesson? That mistake? A scar, not a sentence? That betrayal? Freedom disguised as pain. Marcus Aurelius said, "The past is beyond us." And he was right. The past is ash. Use it to feed your fire, but never let it put it out. You owe your old self nothing. That man is gone. Today is a reset. Today, you sever the rope. Reset, release, rise. 2. Restart, begin again. Harder, smarter. Most men fear starting over because it makes them feel small, but the Stoics knew the beginner is the bravest of all. Restarting isn't weakness. It's war. It's stepping into the arena with nothing but grit and resolve. You might be sore, bruised, broke, but you're still breathing, and as long as you're breathing, you build. Seneca wrote, "Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body. Every failed plan, every broken dream, it wasn't the end. It was your forge. Restart with fire, not with fear." This is where the new you gets built, through struggle, through structure, through sweat. Don't chase comfort, chase clarity. You don't need to go back. You don't need to fix what broke. You need to create something that can't be broken. Restart, rebuild, and never look back. 3. Refocus. Eliminate distractions. Sharpen the mission. Most men are distracted, not defeated. They scroll. They drift. They chase 100 things and finish none. But a Stoic warrior is dangerous because he chooses focus over noise. He locks in. One purpose, one goal. No room for weakness, no time for wandering. Epictetus taught that freedom is choosing what to focus on. So ask yourself, what have you been feeding your mind? What meaningless noise has stolen your power? Refocus. Burn the fluff. Burn the approval-seeking. Burn the comparison. There is no greatness without obsession. Choose your mission and give it your full attention. Your focus will offend people. Good. That's how you know it's real. The world belongs to those who move with intention. Strip away the non-essentials and aim like a sniper. This is your war. Win it with focus. 4. Protect your energy. Set fire to the vampires. Not everyone deserves access to you. Some people don't just distract you, they drain you. Time wasters, drama lovers, emotional leeches. They don't cheer when you grow, they complain. The Stoics believed in guarding your peace like a fortress. And that means cutting ties with anything or anyone that dilutes your strength. Your energy is sacred. Your focus is gold. If someone isn't building with you, they're breaking you. No more hesitation. No more guilt. You don't need to explain why you're walking away, just walk. And if you feel alone, good. That's where the real ones appear, and the fake ones disappear. When you protect your energy, your clarity explodes, your power expands, and your life starts moving forward like a storm. Set boundaries, speak less, cut deep, then rise in silence. 5. Choose discipline, not feelings. Motivation is weak. It's an emotion. Discipline is a decision. You don't need to feel like it. You need to commit to it. The Stoics didn't wait to feel ready. They acted. Marcus Aurelius didn't wait for peace. He ruled during plague and war. Yet every morning he woke up and wrote, "Get up, do the work." Discipline is showing up when your mind screams no. It's training when it hurts. It's saying no to pleasure, so you can say yes to legacy. You don't need more inspiration. You need to show up anyway. Every rep, every step, every quiet decision to keep going when no one is watching, that's what builds the man the world can't shake. Discipline is the hammer. Use it daily, because one day life will test you, and discipline is what keeps you standing when everything else crumbles. 6. Build from within. Become unbreakable. Legacy isn't built from results. It's built from repetition, from who you become when no one's watching, the man you become when it's not about applause but alignment. Build a life from within, from principles, values, and iron self-respect. Let go of fixing the past. You don't need to return to who you were. You need to become someone greater. Every scar taught you something. Every failure gave you fuel. Build the version of yourself that can walk through storms and not flinch. That doesn't beg for validation, but walks in quiet confidence. Stoics didn't decorate their pain. They transformed it. So must you. Start small, stay steady, show up. Over time, you become the man that silence respects and chaos can't move. Build from within, because if the foundation is strong, nothing can shake you. Burn what's broken. Build what's untouchable. You've heard enough. Now, it's your move. This is your moment of decision. Rise or rot. There is no middle. The Stoics didn't wait. They created second chances with fire, silence, and self-mastery. This is your line in the sand. Burn what's broken. The old stories, the weak habits, the people who keep you small. Rebuild with clarity, with inner steel, with focus that offends mediocrity. Don't explain. Don't apologize. Don't wait for permission. You weren't made to survive. You were made to rise. If this message hit you deep, subscribe, reflect, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Let the world feel your silence, and let your transformation begin now.